Theta's medium-term support explicitly remained at $92, which sort of is genuinely huge. The very current exchanging volume of Theta organization truly is at $163, 245, 349, which really is genuinely huge. Theta organization explicitly is as of now esteemed at $301, bears control Theta's sort of current cost activities in a genuinely significant manner. 18 Walk 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on some things facts. What sort of is transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Fundamentally, is Theta an excellent venture, which truly is very huge? Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, so Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on, or so they truly thought. Yet, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Theta specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the especially current economic situations in a very significant manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $2 548 785 447 775. The all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $138 539 819 Theta, showing that the in every practical sense current exchanging volume of Theta organization in a real sense is at $163 245 349 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 617.35 level after a decay of 0.92%, which really is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 3% coming to $3 518.14 during the past 24 hours, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time span, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 3% coming to $3 518.14 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. BNB, the for the most part local coin of BNB, certainly is somewhere around 376, and as of now exchanging at $555.36, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, XRP came to 0.61 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 179% in esteem, especially further appearance how 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will especially walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What especially is essentially momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, basically is Theta a wise venture, which generally is very huge. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for genuinely present moment, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, a genuinely broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on. So Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in a for the most part huge manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that right now a genuinely broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth, so Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in a truly significant manner. Support generally is a level at which purchases basically become sort of more beautiful, dynamic, and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, especially further appearance how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in a descending heading for certainly momentary in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which vendors by and large become moved genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 617.35 level after a decay of 292% in an unpretentious manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization Theta is at $301, down 416% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 14.02% over the course of the week in every practical sense. Further appearance how the in every practical sense all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $138, 539, 1980, showing that the ongoing exchanging volume of Theta organization essentially is at $163, 245, 349 as in an especially huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 163, 245, 349 as used, while kind of all-out market cap came to $338, 779, 630 as USD, or so they truly thought. They most certainly are very nearly 1,000 as in every way that really matters are available for use out of 1 billion, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 3% coming to $3,514 during the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. Theta organization value examination Theta cost investigation for 18 Walk 2024 Insider. For the most part, everyday time period in a real sense made sense of beneath in a sort of significant manner. We utilize relative strength indexes, moving kind of normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal SMA and outstanding moving pretty normal amount to break down the future development of the Theta organization, showing how Theta organization value examination Theta cost investigation for 18 Walk 2024 Insider by and large day-to-day time span for the most part made sense of underneath in a huge manner. The Theta moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity MACD pointer truly is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment in a real sense sell truly signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath lovely sign line, which basically implies all things considered. Bears most certainly are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization Theta sort of is at $301, down 416% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and by and large has a value change of 14.82% over the course of the week. Kind of additional appearance how the for the most part complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $138, 539, 18, 19th and 80. Showing that the genuinely current exchanging volume of Theta organization truly is at $163, 245, 349 as an incredibly RSI suggesting oversold stage, while exchanging at 29 and for the most part is attempting to essentially break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, showing how 18 Walk 2024. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually especially got clarification on pressing issues facts, what in every practical sense is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. For the most part is Theta a by and large wise speculation, truly as opposed